guys, hope you're doing well. So my name's Danielle Collins and today I'm going to be showing you how to use this body tapper. It's amazing if you want an instant 1 minute energy boost. Gives you a really good self massage. It's great to do before or after you do exercise. It's very good to do if you are low in energy, if your stress levels are high and you just want to instantly have a little bit of a pick-me-up. So make sure you work to your own level with everything and avoid if you have any serious medical conditions or if you're pregnant. So what you want to do is you want to take the tapper and you're going to start by just going down the arm, all the way to the hand, and then going up the arm. So we're going down the inside of the arm here and up the outside. Let's do that one more time. And now we're going to do the other side. Do one more time. Great, okay, so let's do our legs now, really boosting the energy in the legs. So let's start here and we're going all the way down our legs. So I've got trainers on, but if I didn't, I would go under the sole of the foot as well. Going up the inside of the leg there. Let's take that again. Going all the way down the leg. All the way up, and let's do the other leg now. I might come up on the stairs here so you can just see how I'm working down the leg. And as I said, if I didn't have shoes on, I can tap under the sole of the foot, on the foot, and then working up the leg there as well. I'll do that one more time. Good, and then I'm going to do round my stomach area. So I'm going a little bit gentle around the stomach. So we're really getting that energy or that chi going. Instantly it starts to wake you up. My muscles were feeling a bit tired before this and already they're starting to feel better. So we're going all the way around. Good, and then we're just going to work our neck and our shoulder area. And the great thing about this is you can get right down the back. So let's go all the way down the back. So work as long as you need, as deep as you need on all of these. So let's do the other side. So really helping with that blood circulation, bringing all that blood up to the surface, really helping with that circulatory process. I'm going a bit further down my back now, and then I'm just going to do my lower back. I'm going slightly gentler around that kidney area and the other side, gently going down. And then I'm just going to tap here, the thymus area. That's really good for helping to boost immunity. And then I'm just going to do a quick go on my soft joints. So we're going here, gently tapping. And the other side, I'm being a little bit gentler with the soft joints. If you get joint pain, if you get a lot of tension, it's such a good one to do. And we're coming underneath here, gently tapping. So this really is a tool for life. So once you've got one, you'll really use this every day. And let's just go back of the knees now. That's also really lovely to do. And the other side, back of the knees. Now I'm taking a little bit longer showing you all this, but you can really do this in 1 minute. We're just going to do the hip area, around the hip joints there. And the other side, around that area. And I'm just going to do the pubic area a little bit as well there. Gently tapping, gently tapping. And then it's really nice just to finish again with this thymus area. and then just pop your tapper down, and then just finish by up and one more time. Wonderful. So now you should feel really energized, the muscles should feel much freer, and you should really feel that sense of energy, or chi as we call it in Chinese medicine, just running around the body. So head to faceyogaexpert.com/shop and you'll see this gorgeous bamboo tapper there. Have a great day. Bye bye.